Hello friends, today I will show you how to insert different page number in different page in Word. It is not easy job. Who knows, he knows, but who don't know, please follow my instruction and exercise in home. I think you will be clear today. So this is very important things to insert page number in different pages, because it may need sometimes to present a good document. So here I have total 5 pages. So this is my cover page. I do not want to put page number here. This is table of content. Also I do not need to put page number here. But if you are the beginner in Word, maybe you don't know how to put page number in different pages in separately. So let me show you. First, if I go to insert option and go to the page number, and if I put page number, so let me click one page number at the middle. If I click here, you see it takes page number from first page 1, second page 2, third page 3, fourth page 4, 5 page 5. Okay. If I don't want to put the page number in my first page, it is a little bit easy. Okay, for this let me show you how to do. For this you will again go to the header and footer option and click different page option. You check it. Okay, once you check it, so you need to go in the page number section. You see the left top corner. If I go here and put the format, click the format page number. Okay, so since I do not want to put page number at the first page, so I will put it 0. See, if I click 0, see in my first page no number is showing. In second page it started from 1 and it's continuing 1 2 3 4 like this. Okay, but I also do not need to put page number here. So for it, how to do it, how we will do it. Okay, this is very important things. Do not skip our video. Please follow my instruction. Okay, for this you uncheck. Okay, you uncheck the different page option, and whatever edited in last time, you click on, press OK and delete the page number. Okay, click outside. Now you open the paragraph option. Okay, so let me, if you go to home option, you will see one such symbol. This is paragraph marks. If I click here, so this paragraph means FB space backspace. When I entered, this is my FB backspace. Okay, at the bottom here, see, this is my page break, means this page is break from this page. Also this page is break from this page. Okay, to add different number in different page, I have to separate the Word file in different section. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, As I do not want to include this 2 page number, so for this I have to separate this second page from third page. So there is one symbol page break, so simply I will delete it. Once I delete it, see from the third page the word sentence has come. Okay, but I do not want it. For this I will go to layout option, and from here there is another option is breaks. I'll click here. So here is page break option, column break, text typing. There is next page, insert a section break and start new section on the next page. So if I click OK, then what it has shown, this appeared, means now my first page and second page is different. Okay, now if I click footer of my second page, second section, so it is showing footer section 2, and in my second and in my first page it is showing footer section 1. Okay, if I write here anything, so let's say page, see the section 1 and section 2 showing same thing. At the right side you check, there is one notation showing us same as previous, means this section is linked to the previous section. Okay, so if I put here any text something, it will automatically connect to the next previous section, but we do not need it. So we will simply unlink this previous section. For this, under the header and footer section, at the left side you see there is one option linked to previous. So means one section is linked to other section, so I do not want it, so I will uncheck it. Once I unchecked it, see if I delete it, the page section and page section 2 and my word section 2, in section 2 I deleted, but in section 1 nothing has appeared. It was like previous. Okay, now if I want to put page number, let me go again in the page number option and let me take bottom page, any of one. Okay, now see in my section 2, my third page, it has taken page number 1, fourth page number 2, and fifth page number 3. Okay, in section 1, in first page no page number, in second page no page number. I have come outside of the footer option. Okay, now I'll simply uncheck the paragraph option. Okay, now I do not want to anything in page number, in cover page and my table page, so I will delete it. Okay, you see section 1, first page, second page, no page number. Okay, so this is my second page, this is my first page, no page number here, no page number here. In third page my page started from 1 started. Okay, if you need to do separate numbering in the value of the more page, simple you will input a section break at the last page of your document. Then you will unlink it from the previous section. Then you can do such type of separate numbering in your Word document. Hope this video will help you. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.